Hey guys, now this is a recording of my merchant account, and as you can see, I made almost $14,000 today and $17,000 yesterday. Now, I want to show you how I did all of this in the next few minutes. Hey guys, Satish Gaire here from Dallas, Texas. Now, in a few minutes, I want to show you how I came to a day where I'm making 20K or plus per day. Okay, so this is my story. So it starts off in about 2000 something. So when I moved to US when I was almost 15 years old, to Dallas, here go Texas. Now when we moved to the US, we didn't have much money. My parents were working 50-60 hours a week. When I used to go out with my friends, I didn't have money like they did. I was on free lunch program back then. So yeah, I've been through all that, so I know how it feels. So that's me. Now, when I was, roughly in about 7th grade, me and my brother bugged my parents to buy us a computer. And he did, after bugging and, crying and so much. Once he bought us that computer, that was a freedom. That was my turning point where I learned about marketing, affiliate marketing a bit. I learned how to build a website. So I made some money here and there, but nothing big. Now, this went on for a while. And when I was a senior in high school, I had this idea. I wanted to create a magazine business, right? So it's a very huge project. And initially, I had to do so much work. Now, here's what the magazine looks like these days, okay? Magazine, and I want to show you who the advertisers are. Like, these are big companies, like Dolce & Gabbana. These are big companies here on the Wendy's. So I started this magazine. The magazine looks good right now because it's been a while, but it looked pretty bad when I was starting off. Now, I maxed out my credit card. I stole money from my parents. I did that, but it took me about 2 years of hustling here and there, but I did make money. So at one point I was making almost 16 to 17K per month. Okay, and at that time I went ahead and paid off my parents' house. That was our first house. You see, it's me right here. My name is here. I paid off my parents' house. My parents finally had some trust in me. So that was my make big money moment. So I did that. Now with the money, I started a digital marketing company. Now, so what do I do these days to make money? You're thinking like the 17, 18, 19, $20,000 per day. So what I do is I made a list. So of course, my main thing is digital products, meaning I sell digital virtual products as affiliate marketing. So I'm a vendor. So I sell products at ClickBank. If you don't know what that is, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to make money like this. So I sell products like, a video course like this. A software like this. You're thinking, Satish, you know how to build software. So I don't. Trust me, I don't. Okay, I know how to make people build great softwares for pennies, and I want to show you how to do that. Okay, on this YouTube channel. So that's that. And let me show you more. So I do digital products. Second thing I do is something called webinars. Now, webinars are pretty much like seminars, but they are on the web. So I teach people real estate, cash flow, and people pay about $500, $600 just to spend time with me on the computer for 1 hour. And you're thinking, I don't know about those things. I didn't either, guys. I read books for real estate for dummies, cryptocurrency for dummies. I read those books and I taught that to other people. So yeah, you can do this as well. I'm telling you, okay? And I'll show you how to do that on my YouTube channel. So I do that. I also, I speak at events, so I get invited all the time to speak at marketing events. So a few months ago, I was speaking at this podcast conference, and that's your boy Satish right here, and I got paid almost about $6,000 to speak for 1 hour. Because the experience I have, the knowledge I have, people respect me because I've been through all this loops and hoops of learning curve, and I've I don't want to say I've made it, but I've kind of made it. So I do that, right? So I also do coachings. Let me show you that. So that's my office, guys. So that's my office. One of the entire floor is ours. I'll show you the office in a bit. So So that's me right there, doing coachings. I do group coachings and I do one-on-one coaching. As the one-on-one coaching is about $10,000 for about a week, and group coachings are 5,000 half, since it's in groups. I do that as well. And I also host my own conferences. So earlier this year in 8, it's already done over, but I was hosting a mastermind conference, and people paid almost $600, just to attend the mastermind. So I did that. So I do that as well. And what else do I do? I do a lot of things. I own softwares. I own these big companies like Podmeo. If you might have heard of these companies, Great Steals, of course, Next Webinar. So I do all of these things, and I'm telling you I do these things because not to brag, but to show you that I've been through all of this, and I want to teach you how to do all this. Let me show you a couple of more pictures. Of course, that's my office. So not trying to brag, but I drive a truck, sorry, on a weekday, but during the weekends I drive my Porsche. Those are two of my cars. And of course, that's me speaking. That's my Facebook. So that's my cool picture. I love to take pictures. That's me in my office making cold calls. And I own a brand called Evil Salesman, where people pay me money just to get emails from me. So I'll teach you all of this thing as long as you subscribe to my channel. So of course, that's me right there. So yeah, I want to teach you from heart, right from right here deep inside. I want to teach you guys how to make money online, offline, in this YouTube channel. So all you have to do is subscribe, and the rest, as long as you follow me, will be good. So go ahead, guys, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I can't wait to help you.